Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to take your roast chicken game to another level. Come with me as we make this juicy roast chicken alongside some potato and carrots for dinner. To my returning viewers, welcome back again, and to my new subscribers, thank you for stopping by to Inspired by JI, where I share curated food content and travel vlogs. Mix your spices together, take off any feather from your chicken. Spray any oil or use any butter of choice. Fully coat your chicken with the spice you mix. Make sure you put the spice in every corner of this chicken. The oil will make the spice adhere easier to the chicken skin. But what you also want to do is to make sure you put the spice inside the chicken, so you don't have a situation where your chicken is only spicy on the skin but tasteless inside. Cover your chicken with a cling film and you can keep this for at least an hour or overnight. I'm gonna blend my fresh leaves and make them into puree. I'm gonna add ginger, garlic, onion and a scotch bonnet pepper. You could add extra pepper if you want yours a little bit hot. So this is what I get from my puree, and I'm just gonna add some lemon juice to enhance the flavor and make my chicken more tender. I'm also gonna be cooking this for the second time, but this time around I'm using my puree herbal leaves, and make sure I also put this in every part of the chicken, especially the inside. To further enhance the flavor, I'm gonna be putting some rosemary in the chicken belly alongside some lemons before I tie the chicken thighs together. This is to give it this juicy taste and make it tenderized from the inside. Tie the chicken thighs together to ensure it's well cooked from the inside. You don't want the heat escaping, and at the same time you don't want the aroma from the rosemary and the lemon juice to escape. You want everything trapped inside your chicken. In your preheated oven, just put this chicken. I lowered mine to 180 degrees and preheat first for 30 minutes. And I went back to prepare my carrot and baby potatoes. I'm gonna be cutting this into smaller size and half each baby potato. Add some oil and spice of your choice, and you want to leave this aside for at least 20 minutes in the pan before putting in the oven. At this point, my chicken looks so good. Look at that. This is just after 30 minutes and it's looking almost ready. I'm gonna put my baby potatoes and carrots in the oven now, and I'm just gonna leave this for an extra 45 minutes, making an hour and 30 minutes total. And look at how this chicken breast came out with extra juice, and it's looking so yummy and so edible. And of course my baby potato came out perfect, not burnt but well cooked and ready to be eaten. I'll transfer this now to a flat plate, and I'm gonna be using the juice just as extra toppings later. And guys, take a look at how tender this chicken is. It's so tender and spicy and came out perfectly well. If you've watched to this point, I'm just gonna ask you politely to please hit the subscribe button for more curated food content like this and to support our channel. I just wanted to show you guys how the lemon came out. Trust me, this lemon did its magic and everyone wanted a taste of the lemon. and it's made the chicken so nice, as you can see, and we really enjoyed this dinner. I hope you try this someday at home. Thank you for watching.